Unlike the loner leopard, jackals, canine cousins of the wild dog, lead a more sociable life. Every day, jackal goes out looking for a fresh meal when it's available. They can live as pairs and mate for life. They're also extremely cunning and adaptive. Hunter or thief, it doesn't matter. The most important thing for them is to catch prey. Like shadows, they roam the margins in search of innocent prey. A herd of impalas has been spotted. This family of jackals eyes the prize. A newborn impala is unable to defend himself, but at the same time, he is protected by his mother. By working together, the task can be easier than ever. The strategy is clear. One of them tries to distract the mother while the others grab the baby. Carefully, they try to escape the attacks of impala horns. Their agility makes them overcome all dangers. After the jackal's all-out attack and the desperate defense of the mother, things are settled and they finally got what they want. But this prey is small and it cannot satisfy the whole family. After a long fight, the mother was injured after she had exhausted all her energy defending her child. She has no other choice now but to defend herself. These predators are ruthless and have no mercy when it comes to their meal. The mother has become the new prey. It's wildlife. The strongest always wins, and the victim will always be the weakest.